I really thought it'd be a ledge with the top.
No, it's not good. You have to go deeper for it to be good.
I think I'm gonna skip that next time. Like I feel like this side pole is even better. And then use that one and go up.
Yeah, you bumped the side pole in the flake that thing before going on the ledge, and I was like, it looks like it's pretty good actually. Nice push, dude.
I'm gonna try that.
I didn't think. I don't know, in my head that was going to be more than 1.5 moves to get up here. Can you get more under me now? Thank you.
It's so difficult to like keep it. Everything's so soft. Everything looks the same.
Yeah.
Like I need this one. It looks the exact same. Okay, Bobby.
Alright, on you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Way better. Way better. Way less desperate.
Valerie, do you want to do this? All right. Take.
Nice. Nice, bro.
All right, and do it.
If you wanted to go that route.
Yeah. I mean, it was not bad.
Getting out of this thing is going to be interesting though.
Yeah. You're in a less advantageous position going through the road.
That is true. Doable.
There you go.
This is quite the start.
I see what I would do and then you tell me.
Oh boy.
That's funny.
I guess I'm starting like way over here then. Oh man, I took an actual chunk out of my pinky.
If you say so, I would have grabbed in my head what I would have done. Probably wouldn't have worked. You get your right hand right where you are and then right foot just stand up straight and try to grab that with your left. But I don't know.
I'm gonna do.
Come on.
This is brutal for a start.
I think having your foot a little lower.
The entire thing is straight.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. So I actually think having your foot up that high.
Whoa, geez.
I'll be able to crank into that thing up this way.
What is happening?
Not on the ledge, but like that little bulb, that waker that's in there to the right.
This guy?
No, like to the right, like way down.
This guy?
No, way down to the right. Like right above the ledge.
Right
Yeah,
here?
yeah. I just put my foot there, and I was able to reach to the right, but my leg wasn't in the way.
Oh, my pinky is bloody.
Like having my foot up in that, like it's a really good foot you're on, but your knee, like you gotta like rock over.
Yeah, the guy's arm's actually pretty good. I just need to
This is
turn my-
craziness.
Yeah.
This undercling right here was not that bad.
Let's see if this extra cheater block will help.
Oh gosh. Just gonna go I'll probably go fall
Downloading the cheat codes.
I know, right? Oh, so much stuff. It looks like you should try it, but
Yeah, I mean, even the like horrible little slope.
This is wild.
Shocked. I'm like, why?
Is it awful?
Is what?
Just to the right of your right hand and down.
This?
Nope. It was like right. Yeah. It doesn't
That's
sound-
bad, yeah. That's a 2-finger half pad.
Ugh, never mind.
Looks like a hold, but is it?
This is probably like first hardest part of the climb. Then the next part is like the second, and the beginning is like the third.
All right.
Honestly, though, once you know the beta, this thing,
Oh yeah, once you know the
would
beta.
actually not be too bad.
But I'm saying for someone who's like first time touching it, like you're just not gonna make. You know, you can watch all the videos, but you're just not gonna make the same moves until you feel what it feels like. You know?
That's a very mean start.
Josh, you're saying like foot like
Let me
here.
know if you ever get super comfy for a second.
Where's your left?
I'm super comfy. What do you need?
I'm just picking the block over off of the roof.
You have no clue.
Oh. All right, I'm climbing. I need slack, Valerie.
Yep.
Come on, dude.
Actually, we're gonna-
Let's get that.
just keep working over to the right. It's almost there, almost there. There it is. Go higher.
Stretched out. I think you got 2 inches taller than that.
Nice.
Nice, dude.
I've never seen you so stretched out.
Alright, you can take.
Good job, dude.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I gotta figure out something better there. That is not sustainable.
we're about the same height, so I figured it would. You want to go back down and start on like what you were thinking?
I mean, I was literally like,
I mean,
it's not good.
I think by the end of it, I was basically pinching it like cool.
Yeah, I just feel like this undercling right here is much better. I'm wondering if there's a different way to get there.
I mean, the undercling on like by your right foot is really good.
This undercling right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to lower me down so I can feel it?
Valerie, do you want to try this?
It
I
kind
do want to try
craps
it.